Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Fenix 8 for hiking. First, power on your watch and ensure it has a full charge, ideally 100%, before heading out. Next, pair it with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. This allows for seamless data syncing and software updates, ensuring your device is always running optimally. Finally, customize your watch faces and data fields to prioritize key hiking metrics, such as current elevation, total distance covered, and ascent rate, making information easily accessible at a glance. For navigation, load your hiking route directly onto your Fenix 8. You can easily do this through the Garmin Connect app or by importing a GPX file. The watch's robust GPS, altimeter, barometer, and compass, or ABC sensors, provide precise location tracking and crucial environmental data. Simply follow the clear on-screen navigation cues, which include turn-by-turn directions and detailed elevation profiles, to confidently stay on your planned path, even in challenging terrain. To track your performance, simply start a hiking activity on your Fenix 8. This will meticulously record your journey's duration, total distance covered, and average pace. Throughout your hike, monitor vital signs such as your heart rate and blood oxygen saturation levels to effectively assess your physical exertion and manage your energy. After your adventure, review the comprehensive activity summary to analyze your performance metrics and track your progress, helping you improve with each outing. To maximize your Fenix 8's battery life, adjust GPS recording intervals from 1 second to smart recording and disable features like Wi-Fi or music playback when not needed. This can extend battery life significantly, potentially from 30 hours to up to 42 hours in GPS mode. Should you ever get disoriented, use the Track Back feature to safely guide you back to your starting point. Remember to regularly clean your watch and check for software updates for peak performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.